So in this iMovie tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a filter to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up on your device, what I want you to do first is go to the middle bar here and press on the middle area right here and press on the plus icon on the left hand side of the screen. The plus icon. Once you hear there's moments, videos, photos, albums, backgrounds, etc. So what I want you to do first for demonstration purposes, we're just going to get a background here and change the background. So we're going to go ahead and use a pattern background, and how about we select this one right here, and we're going to change the filter of this background. So it's pretty straightforward as well. Once you're done with that, I want you to press on what you want to change the filter of. So like I did right here. And at the bottom, a whole bunch of different options. You have split, duplicate, delete. You can slide this bottom bar. At the bottom right side, there's like 3 sort of circles in a row. I want you to press on that one right here in the bottom right. And you can change the filter. So you can change it to the comic filter. You can change it to maybe the black and white filter. You can change it to the blockbuster filter. Whatever the case may be there. Once that is done, we're just going to go ahead and exit out of that. And now we have successfully changed the filter of this video or this clip here in iMovie. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add filters to videos or to pictures or whatever here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.